Good evening, folks. Chief Meteorologist Tim Pandajis here with you. We're talking some flood alerts out there across Hampton Roads. Take a look at radar here. Lots going on, but I want to draw your attention to the top right screen of the radar, where we've got the lightning count there. That's a 30-minute count, and it's under 100. And for the most part, it's been trending downwards, meaning that what we have out there in terms of thunderstorm activity is not particularly strong, and they are starting to weaken now that the sun has set. But they're raining themselves out. And with the high humidity today, we had dew points in the mid to upper 70s. There's a lot of moisture available, and these storms are still taking advantage of that. So heavy rainfall rates are still out there. So we've got several flash flood warnings that are up there. I want to start with the newest one that was just issued for portions of the peninsula. You can see it outlined there in the green. This does include Poquoson over to Newport News, Hilton Village, Hampton area. The specifics on that is up for York as well, for York County, Hampton, Newport News, Poquoson, until 10:15. And again, these are usually long duration flash flood warnings there. But the amount of rain that's fallen, let's get a look at that. According to radar here, in the last hour, it hasn't really updated yet, but you can see to the north there where that came from. We do have some areas near Grafton and York County that's an inch and a quarter, an inch and a half in the last hour. So that validates the 1 to 2 inch an hour rainfall rates we were talking about being a possibility with the rainfall today. Now we've got another one that's pretty large for portions of Norfolk, Chesapeake, and Northside Virginia Beach. Notice the rain has come to an end there, which is some good news. But check out the rainfall totals here over the last, it's not updating really. Let's see if the 3-hour ones update. Okay, we'll have to go, there we go. Look at Mapleton here. This is the last 3 hours. Just south of the 264 corridor, even right along it. Seeing some of these totals, wow, quite impressive here. Near Mapleton, 3 3/4, 3.5 inches, close to 4 inches of rain over the last 3 hours in this general area. So got soaked out there in central and northern Virginia Beach. Now the rain has let up, thankfully. Over into Deep Creek, north side, South Norfolk, over into Norfolk. Heavy rain there right now. No active warning for you at this time. Flood advisories, Southampton, Gates County, flood advisory, South Chesapeake and Virginia Beach. That's just meaning that the possibilities there for some standing water. It's not quite to the level of a flash flood warning. And then we've got another one. This is one that was up from the newscast this evening. It's been up for 2 hours now, 2.5 hours. This is for southern Southampton, Sussex, and over in the Isle of Wight and Surrey as well. And this one's going to be expiring at 9:15. They also saw a fair amount of rainfall in that area as well. But putting this in motion, let's go the last 3 hours here. You can see it started off very isolated, and then it really started to expand in coverage. We had several areas. You see the outflow boundary shooting out over to the west. That helps to kind of initiate more development, which we certainly saw kind of take advantage of in the last couple of hours here. But rainfall rates should start to come down here dramatically now that the sun has set. A lot of this is driven by the daytime heating. And now that we don't have that, we're going to kind of start to see that come on down. See the lightning strike count when we started this video? 76 now. It was up near 100. So it continues to go down. The convective aspect of these are diminishing, but the possibility for some standing water on area roadways is still there for the next hour or two. Just want to give you a quick update there here on 13 News Now Plus. If anything changes, I'll pop on over on air if there's any warnings or anything that are issued. But until then, hope you enjoy the rest of your Thursday evening.